Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 2 science class. So open your science book and open this new chapter, food for good health, and this is we already started those previous offline classes, right? So in this chapter we already discussed about why we need food and those kinds of foods, that energy giving foods, protective foods and bodybuilding foods, and their examples also, and about water, right? So that why we drink water, and our body needs a lots of water and we have to drink minimum 8 glasses of every day. And water helps us to digest the food and it helps us to throw out those undigested waste. So we already learned about it. So today we see diets may be different for different people. Yes, our body is not same with others, right? That my body is one type, your body is one type. So our body are different and the diets also different for every pupil. That our diet something, your diet something, like that. So let's see, milk is a complete food for a newborn baby. When a baby was born, as a newborn baby, she just drink a milk. They just drink milk. So for a newborn baby, milk is a complete food. They didn't eat anything exclude food. So milk is only a complete food for a newborn baby. And growing children like you are now growing children, like you was class 1, now you are class 2, the next year you will be in class 3. So you just grow up day by day. You are now a growing baby. So you have to eat those bodybuilding foods like eggs, milk, pulses. As I told you those previous, that you have to drink milk twice every day, right? Or you can drink in once also, but you have to drink it every day, because milk is bodybuilding foods and you have to eat those pulses and eggs, fish also, because now as you are a growing child and you have to take bodybuilding food also. A laborer needs more food than a person working in an office. A laborer who labored and who do a lots of work in the field, and which persons work in office, so from them they have to take a lot of food. As they do a lot of work, so that's why they have to take lot of food, right? Because they do many things. We must take a diet that has different food items like cereals, pulses, milk, salads, green vegetables and fruits, and in right amount at fixed times. These things we already learned, that we have to take our meals in regular time, right? We have to take our meals in regular time. So we must take diet those different food items, cereals, pulses, egg, fish, milk, but in a regular time. So this is all balanced diet. This is balanced diet. If you take the right food in right time, this is we call the balanced diet. So here the diets we learn today, the diets may be different from different people. So for a newborn baby, milk is a complete food. Thus growing child like you have to take bodybuilding foods like egg, pulses, milk every day. Or the laborer have to take a lot of food than a person who working in office, because they do a lot of work, and we must take our diet those different food items in a regular time, in a fixed time. Okay. So you have to remember those things and you have to read this very attentively. You have to remember those also, right? So read this chapter, food for good health, very attentively at your home, and those exercise part you have to do this at your home in your copy book. Okay everyone, so have a nice day. That's all.